Hi, my name's Mark Graves and I am the Arborist Coordinator down at Humber College. We run two programs down at Humber College. We have an urban arboriculture program and an arborist apprenticeship program. Our semester begins in September, where we do an intake of students from within Ontario, across Canada, and internationally. We are quite fortunate to have some great industry professionals working with us down at Humber, teaching and educating our students, which provides a really great hands-on experience and allows them to discuss different opportunities within the commercial, municipal, and utility industries, as well as discussing various types of equipment and products that are used throughout the industry. So
first year uses the ground saw strictly for felling trees. Doing a face notch, learning how to do a back cut and a bore cut. Basically hands-on skills for an individual that would work in an arborist company for the first 2 years as a groundsperson. Second year, in the arborist program, we work with climbing saws. They come in a variety of different sizes. Here at the college we have the rear handle version. Using a bio-based type lubricant in the front for the chain, for the cooling and lubricating of that chain. Again, we have a very low carbon footprint now. Another good feature of the bio type oils is, again, that's the amount of oil that you're spraying out into your cutting areas. So if it's in a tree pruning, it's on the bark, or if you're over top of someone's house doing part of a removal and pruning, you're spraying that all on the shingles. So again, it's something to consider. So we're into our second season here at this training facility with the bio oil products. I've seen fantastic results. Little things, simple things that normally would be is the burning on the bar. Again, chain tension, dull chain adds up to that, but at the level is that I see less of it. So it has a tendency to be maybe fantastic in the heat, so it's actually a very good coolant as far as I'm concerned, and it obviously has got good lubricating qualities because we haven't had any sprocket failures. One thing that I've noticed with the new oil, the bio type oils, is that it's fantastic for cleaning. It has a tendency not to be like built up on there. It just allows the individual to be very, very efficient in the cleaning process. This past winter, what we tried to do is go totally with the bio-based oils just to see what the performance aspect would be. And the results were phenomenal. We had good running saws. Our biggest thing was looking at the spark arrestor screens. So you can see the screen here does not have any deposits on it. Again, it's a good, clean, burning oil. And like I said, we went with the bio oils this year with this program, and this is our results. So it's obviously working for us here. So with using a bio type product, it's amazing because then we're not impacting like we would have 10 or 15 years ago with the other oils that are still available out there.
So in second year, we're doing our practical rigging and climbing as well as chainsaw use out here. So it's basically everything we do in the field on a day-to-day basis. So we're climbing, we're rigging, we're setting up mechanical advantages, we're setting up how to run stuff on the ground, just your basic day-to-day stuff that we're going to be using every day in the field. So we're pushing sharp chainsaws, stuff that runs properly, looking after your stuff as well. You have to have proper lubrication, you have to have proper gas, everything has to run together. It's a well-oiled machine, if you will, right? So using bio-based oils allows us to market ourselves as a green industry, which is exactly what we are, right? I think it's very important.